Learning computer science and working as a software engineer are two very different things. Here's a quick video with 3 tools you will definitely be using once you land that first job as a software engineer. Jira. Jira is a task management tool where all your work will typically get scoped and tracked. Tickets will be created for bugs, features, and tech debt, and your job will be to move those tickets across different stages like to do, in progress, in review, and done. Depending on the size of the task, these individual tickets may be part of larger projects called stories, or even larger efforts called epics. Now, every team does this differently, so just be sure to find out what the standard is for the team that you're working on. If your team works across time zones, it becomes even more important to keep your tickets updated, because it's how your teammates and sometimes your manager know what you're working on, what's blocked, and what's ready for someone else to pick up. Slack. Slack is essentially your digital office. It's where your team communicates the day-to-day. You'll get messages from teammates, get tagged in team channels, and even sometimes get automated reminders from bots about things like stand-up or pull requests. Since many teams are remote or hybrid, Slack does a pretty good job of replacing what in-person interactions would usually take place in an office. But unless told to do so explicitly, don't feel pressured to reply instantly. Many teams work asynchronously. Just make sure to be clear, be kind, and check your messages regularly. Remember, communication is key. GitHub. You've probably used GitHub in school, but using it as part of a team at work is a little bit different. You won't just push the code you're working on to main or to a particular feature branch that quickly gets merged in. You'll start creating pull requests. You'll wait for reviewers to look at your code and only merge once it's actually been approved. Some teams have strict rules like needing 2 approvals before being able to merge your code, or running automated tests that must pass before you can actually merge. Others have strict QA processes that need to be followed. When you're making a pull request, it's a good practice to link it back to a Jira ticket so it's clear which work is being delivered. And here's another tip. Leave thoughtful comments when reviewing other people's code. It builds trust, and people will return the favor when it's your turn. And those are 3 tools that you'll use every single day as a software engineer. If you're new to working in a team, just remember, clear communication beats perfect code every single time. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you want to see a few other terms that you should know before becoming a software engineer, click here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!